Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Teams is updated and your camera works. Once done, join the meeting or launch the pre-join screen. This exposes the background controls. Click Background Effects or Show Background Settings. Don't pause to tweak yet. You're doing this now so options load correctly. Make sure your lighting and camera framing are how you want them, because virtual backgrounds read lighting. Now move to selecting or uploading a background image for the next step. You'll pick a background or upload a custom image. Click Add New to bring your own file. Once uploaded, select it and use Preview to see how it interacts with your clothing and hair. This reveals edge artifacts. If the background looks stretched, make sure the file is landscape 16:9 and a reasonable resolution, not overly large. You can also blur slightly if separation is poor. Once satisfied, click Apply or Apply and turn on camera to lock it in. Finalize by confirming the background looks natural in the live meeting and that your face isn't cut off. If edges flicker or parts disappear, switch to the blur option or a simpler image. This reduces processing errors. Make sure you avoid images with private info. If backgrounds won't apply, quit Teams and relaunch. Verify camera drivers and enable or disable GPU acceleration in settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the app after updates. Many background problems clear with a fresh launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.